Yeah, I was running yesterday here and I had back pain. So I needed 20 minutes during my breath exercise to stimulate here my fascia, my back pain. But this is another story. Why I found time for that? Because I woke up earlier, before my family, before my obligations, before work, etc. Because I woke up before everybody else and I have time to sit down and actually relax, to breathe, and to sit down with the red light. Yeah. But why I'm saying that? I'm saying that because I found time to wake up before everybody else because I went to sleep in a normal hour, 10 p.m. to wake up at 5:10. If you would like to wake up at 6, you need to go also at 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m. at the least. Why? Yeah, because this is the key of the movie. Sleep is essential. And everybody else who is saying otherwise, in my belief, in my knowledge, is wrong. Why? Because your melatonin is prepared by the pineal gland every single day and you are not controlling it. Sometimes you have to control what you do outside, but you are not controlling the physical appearance of the melatonin by the pineal gland. It is produced when your eyes, when your skin sees darkness. When there is dark, when the sun goes down, cortisol level drops, adrenaline drops, and melatonin produced by the pineal gland is putting you asleep. And this is happening between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. But of course, you can disrupt that by looking at blue light, listen to stimulating music, by watching movies, disturbing movies, to increase your adrenaline and dopamine while watching it. And then the melatonin is stopped. And then you have issues and you cannot go asleep. You wait until 12 or even 2 a.m. Yeah? And you need to sleep longer. You will not wake up in the morning because even if you will not be rested. This is perfectly written here. I will show you. Look, hormones, metabolism, regeneration. During sleep, important hormones process take place. Secretion of growth hormone, regulation of cortisol, and influence on the leptin and ghrelin, the hunger and satiety hormones. So this is key to understand. If you want to fast, you need to regulate these two, leptin and ghrelin, in order to have the possibility to have intermittent fasting. Lack of sleep disrupts these mechanisms, which may lead to increased appetite. You eat more. You cannot sustain intermittent fasting. Reduce regeneration. You can, train, but without sleep you will not regenerate. Greater susceptibility to fatigue. Yeah. So you can actually be not lean because the last hours of your sleep, after 6 hours of sleep, deciding of your metabolism quality in your body. Yeah. I encourage you to sleep at a normal time in order to wake up before everybody else, rested, to find time for your own space, whatever it is. Reading book, meditating, breathing, cold bath, training, work, whatever. It's your time. All the best. And buy the book. Increase, expand your knowledge. Yeah, it's all for you. Christ King. Amen.